Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen and I said let me make this video. I got some dupes and let me tell you, you know, all time is so expensive now. Things are so expensive, which is time is too. And guess what, we ladies, we all like smell well, we like to look well, and we like to be like expensive but on a budget. So now I went to my trusty store. Hey, my goody. I went to Primark and I got some dupes, some perfume. And the first one I got, it's the good Chica, and this is £6, yeah. And this is compared. It's compared to the, what do you call it? Herrera Good Girl, which is £65. And trust me, I tried it. I tried the real one and I tried the dupe, and it smells the same. It's no difference, you know. So you know what? You can run to Primark and get your good Chica. The next one I got was I got this in a mini bottle. It's the free perfume, and this I paid £3 for it, and it's similar to the YSL Libre, which is £97. I think Primark, not I think, I know Primark's got the bigger bottle, but I got the small one, if you can see. So that one, and the last perfume I got was the Lilac Haze. And trust me, this one is £6. And let me open it. The packet, the bottle is so cute. You can give it as a present, or you can buy it for yourself. So look at the bottle. So this one is the Lilac Haze, and I paid £6 for it, and it's supposed to be like the Mugler, whatever, Lilac Haze, which is £67. So tell me, isn't that a bargain? So this is gonna be my new thing, my new sense, and I'm gonna try it. And I tried it on my skin in the shop and it lasted, but you know, this girl gonna dupes it up. Why not?